In this short video, I'm going to show you how to add shapes in Wix. Whether you want to add a circle, a rectangle, a triangle, a square, or any other shape, all you need to do is head over to your Wix editor. And once it loads up, I want you to focus on the left-hand side of the screen where you're going to find this side menu right here. From the side menu, I want you to press on the very top button, which says Add Elements. And from here, go down to Decorative, which is right here, and then click on Basic Shapes, which is where you're going to find all the different shapes that you can add to your Wix website. Now, bear in mind that you have a more basic shapes button right here. So by pressing it, that's going to take you to all the different shapes that you can add to your Wix website. So for example, I'm going to add this abstract shape right here. I'm going to click on that to add it, and then click Add to Page. And within a second or so, the shape that you chose will be added. And of course, from here, once you select it, you can change the shape if you want at a later stage. And you can also set some settings here. So what is the shape? Describe it, keep original proportions. And you can also change the design. So for example, if you don't like the black color, you can change to green or whatever other color you might want. You can add shadow to it. You can apply border. You can also animate the shape or make it a link. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to add shapes in Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.